Hey there, so this is kind of a after the fact video. I wanted to show you my installation of the UPR Oil Catch Can that's available from Amazon.com. I'll provide the link down below. Just wanted to show you and explain what I did and how I installed it, and to give you some close-ups so you can see exactly what goes on and what it looks like before you decide to buy. So basically, when you buy your car, it comes with a tube that is laid out much like this. Hold on a second. It is like this for all intents and purposes, and this piece right here is actually facing this way, but it pivots, it turns, so you don't need to worry. This will just easily turn for you. So this piece right here is replaced by these two hoses, the in and the out flow hoses. And so your kit comes with a double connector that plugs in into this. I think it's the PCV valve or a PCV, and then it gives you a male adapter for your hose to plug into. The same down here on this one, and then your oil catch can has built-in male adapters, and so you get the two hoses in your kit. You get these collars that your hose slides into to dress it up and make it look nice. And the hose is actually braided. So that's one thing that the videos I've seen online didn't really show, that they were braided. And they're a little bit long. They need to be trimmed. This is about the length of what I trimmed off of this one back here to give it that more straight appearance. And as you can see, the hoses are white lettered, so I, like others, have installed it with the letters down, so it looks a little bit cleaner. Now, the one thing the other videos didn't show is that the quality of this catch can is really nice. It's actually milled aluminum, and although it's dirty, you can see the milling on it, and you can see that it's threaded and it's stippled on the bottom to give you a good grip. And then it has this arm in this bracket that goes down, and it mounts into a hole that's on the motor's head, the head of the motor right there. And these wires that have a connector on them, I just tucked around right there on that bolt, just to make it a little bit neater. Since there's nothing else to plug it into, I may come back and just zip tie them up to the bracket, or just leave them like they are. But there you have it. That's what the UPR Oil Catch Can on Amazon looks like, the black one. Close-up details, so you can figure out whether or not you'd like to purchase this thing. I like it. I've already had it on for a couple of days, and I see some oil blow by that has been collected in it. So hopefully this does what it's advertised to do, and that's to catch the oil, protect the valves and other motor parts from getting buildup. So hope this helps you make up your mind whether or not you would like this one, or the concept of an oil catch can. And this is what it looks like mounted on mine. So thanks for watching my video. Just getting started on these things. I hope this is helpful.